True Salvation Church of Christ invites you to a life-transforming experience at Youth Convention 2024. Join us from 19th to 22nd December 2024 at Siaya Uyoma for spiritual journey that will revive your faith and empower your life.
Mighty God, hallowed be the name.
The theme of the day will be reviving faith, empowering lives.
Yeah, Yahweh.
Prepare for unforgettable encounter with God as you experience salvation as we call all to Christ. Be baptized and make your public declaration of faith. Feel spiritual fulfillment in powerful moments with God. Partake in the sacred Holy Communion. Engage in interactive class programs to nurture your faith and spiritual growth. Come for healing, physical, emotional, and spiritual through the power of prayer. Led by Bishop Peter Obaje with special ministry from guest artist Faith Daisy. Your healing is here. Your breakthrough is now calling for you. Meet the organizing committee: Thomas Wagude, Austin Odhiambo, Evans Odhiambo, Isaac Omondi, Mary Atieno, and not forgetting Charles Mwalo. They are ready to welcome you with open arms as you come. Come expectant, live fulfilled. Don't miss Youth Convention 2024 in Siaya Uyoma. See you there as Christ saves you.
Mighty God.